So welcome to a simple math presentation. If you're watching this video right now, it means one of two things. The first is that someone cares enough about you and your business to share this breakdown, or two, you wanted to see the math for yourself. Odds are it's probably both. So in this presentation, we're going to go over three different types of fee structures in the business. eXp, a cap split model, a flat fee shop. Per transaction, you're paying a flat fee, and then your split no cap, which could be anything. A common split with no cap is a 90-10. So let's dive into it. We're going to start with a baseline of 30 transactions at an average price point of $360,000 with a 2.5% agent compensation equaling a $9,000 GCI. So first, we're going to start with eXp. We're going to take that 9,000 GCI and we're going to subtract our split, which is 20%. That's going to leave us with a net of 7,200. Now we have to take that 20% and figure out how much that actually equates to. And it ends up becoming 1,800. So we have to take that 1,800, put it into our cap, divide it, and that gives us 9 units closed until we've capped, and now we've hit 100% for the rest of our year until we reset. So now with units 10 through 30, since we're capped at eXp, we're going to pay a $250 flat fee. So we take our 250 by 20, and that's going to give us $5,000 additional dollars in fees. So we take our initial cap of $16K, our additional $5,000, and that gives us $21,000. But wait, we want to be fully transparent. We do know there's a $25 broker review that gets included on every transaction. So 25 by 30, plus we do pay $500 errors and omissions. That's our E&O. At $40 a deal, capped at $500, that's an additional $1,250 plus our $5K, which is an additional $16K, plus $6,250, which is $22,250. At eXp, we have what's called Icon. And on your 20th unit now, after capping, you're going to get your $16K cap back. That's still going to leave us with $6,250 in total fees that we have to divide upon that 30 units, which gives us a breakdown $209 per. Now let's move over to the flat fee. 100% of the commission is what you're getting. We take the same $9,000 GCI, we subtract our $550 flat fee. That's going to give us a net of $8,450. That beats our $7,200 net at eXp. But now we have to take those 30 units by 550, and that's going to give us, because there is no icon, there is no cap, you're at 100%, total cost of doing business is $16,500, and of course, it's $550 per unit on the same 30 deals. Now let's move over to our 90-10 no cap. We take the same $9,000 GCI, subtract our 10% split, and it's going to give us a net of $8,100. Not as much as $8,450, still more than $7,200, but we have to take that $900 per unit, multiply that by 30, and our cost of business is now $27,000 on the same 30 deals. That's $900 per unit. Let's take it a step further. So at eXp, we understand that on the same 30 deals, because we've hit Icon, it's going to cost us $209 per unit on average by 30, which equates to $6,270. That's our cost of doing business. At that flat fee shop, we have to take that $550, buy that 30 units, and you're going to get a total of $16,500 as your total cost of doing business. And now at your 90-10 no cap, we take the $900 by the 30 units, $27,000. Guys, we just want to make this easy for you to understand if and what you're leaving on the table. You can do the math and see exactly what the numbers equate to. But here, at our 80-20 16K cap model versus the flat fee and versus the no cap, flat fee, you're leaving $10,230 on the table. Same 30 deals. And at your 90-10 no cap, you're leaving $20,730 on the table for the same 30 deals. If you have any questions for us, please do not hesitate to reach out.